How to use Credit Karma for mortgage loan estimates. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, click the Home tab in the top menu. Under the Home tab, select Current Mortgage Rates or Mortgage Refinance Rates to explore up-to-date loan rate estimates. Here you will see a list of mortgage offers with estimated interest rates, monthly payments, and loan terms based on your credit profile. You can use the Mortgage Calculator section to estimate your monthly payments, total interest, and affordability for different mortgage amounts and terms. Additionally, browse the mortgage lender reviews to get insights about lenders and their services, which can help you choose the right mortgage loan. Remember, checking mortgage rates and estimates on Credit Karma won't affect your credit score, so you can explore your options safely. Now you know how to use Credit Karma to check mortgage loan estimates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.